Okay, Stella is going to be my tour guide for Camp Legendary. We call it Camp Schulte. She's going to show me some new stuff they got going on around here.
And every single trail, because you haven't been here for quite some time. We named them.
What'd you name?
We named the trails.
Oh, you named the trails. Okay. So show me around.
Which way do you want to go, that way or that way?
You know, you're the tour guide. You know the best route. Oh, that wasn't you. That was the auto. Okay, got it. Just drive through that. Drive through that limb. You got it. You can do this. Just drive right through it. Get smacked in the face.
Okay, you're the boss.
I got an arm up. Ah! Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh, that wasn't so bad. That wasn't so bad.
This is the very rundown tree house. The deers, raccoons, and a lot of other animals have broken.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is badass. That you got a restaurant in your backyard that you can just drive a four-wheeler over to. What do you recommend from this place?
I don't order, so. Oh, and I also do know that this is one of the only pizza places I know that has a drive-thru.
Oh, it has a drive-thru?
I will take you through it.
Oh, yeah, let's go through the drive-thru. For sure. Oh, you can't blame me. Come on, you're my tour guide. Okay, so you drive over here, and then... Oh! Boop, boop! I need my pizza! Give me my pizza! Ah! I may have broke my wrist. Don't kill us! Ah! Jesus Christ, Stella! Okay, that's too tight. That's too tight. That was terrifying. Okay, I chickened out. I'm sorry. Okay. Jesus Christ. You're the worst.
I guess I'm 11. What do you
Oh, Stella, I almost get off the seat.
I can't tell if you're laughing or crying.
I'm laughing, but I hurt my wrist. So I don't think I can hold on quite as tight anymore. I mean, it's fine. It still works.
And hold with this hand.
Oh, wait, actually, that's a good idea. Hold on. Let me see if I can figure out how to hold my phone with this hand. If I drop my phone, I'm going to be so mad. You got that? All right. Just take me home. Take me home, princess. Take me home. Okay, you're acting like you're going to be terrifying. I'm going to hold on with my injured wrist because I know how to do that. Oh, my pants are wet now! Oh my God. You forgot to stop! Oh, okay, no you didn't. Woo! Behind me? Oh my God. Okay, Stella's We were on 3 wheels, you asshole. Take me home.
Yeah, I tried to say
Okay, for real, stop. Okay, very good.
Get Joe to ride this.
No, very good. Thank you so much for the ride, Stella. I appreciate your time. Oh, and there's my gracious tour guide, Stella. Thank you.
Soaking wet.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let's just get the little one down.
Get her down before Mom has a heart attack.
Oh my goodness, he's a little smooshy. Yes.
A what house?
A bat house?
Birdhouse, probably.
How would a bird fit in that? I think it's a bat house.
Birds are fat.
Birds are fat. You love your mummy. I took like 6 pictures, I think. Oh, it's starting to get steep. It's starting to get steep. I better see a broken bone at the end of this. This is the original heat pump right here. Just full of shit. That's how I know. There was no such thing as a heat pump in 1928. Okay.
How can I record? I'm a better much for myself anymore.
You want to record?
Yes.
Okay, here you go.
Don't die. I won't. So hi, my name is Stella, and I was your walking tour guide. I've made some videos before. My aunts promised me that I could be the cameraman, so I was the new cameraman for a little while. I still am because I have you, my nice people who watch my aunt.
And so that road not only gave them a home, but a vehicle with the chance to be mobile. They got to go to Hartville and Mountain Grove and Ava and do singing schools and fun things like that. So they even took that car to a trip up to the Dakotas for a hard winter, what we know as the long winter reunion. And they took their dog Nero with them. He rode on the running board all the way up there. They only drove about 30, 40 miles an hour.
Please tell me one lie about the Ingalls family.
That their dog was smarter than them.
That they were ugly.
Okay, that's your lie about them? Okay, okay.
It's gonna start hailing.
Yeah.
Rain's in the air. That is a lot of water. Gutters cannot handle it.
Oh, that's a big piece. So Francis is gonna give me my first sardine. I don't know how this is gonna go. To sardines, huh? Are we passing a tin of sardines around?
I'm not eating sardines.
It's just salt. It may contain crustaceans. I mean, how bad can that be, right?
Sea urchin.
I hope there's I hope there's a little tiny crab in there. Well, it doesn't say. It says something else. It doesn't say sardines. It says something else. Sprat.
Sprats.
Yeah, I don't know what
Water,
sprats are.
salt. When you put them in a can, they're called sardines.
Oh, it's a sprat, and then it goes into the can and becomes a sardine. It's like
Yes.
magic.
Yes.
Okay.
It's kind of like a hamburger with ketchup, or if you add other stuff, it turns into a meatloaf.
Oh,
So when
okay.
you put
I get where you're going with
salt
this.
on it and stick it in a can, it becomes a sardine.
Okay. Oh, we got a whole setup going on here. Okay, okay.
Oh my gosh, crackers!
Cocktail hour.
Cocktail hour.
Cocktail hour.
It's cocktail hour.
Cocktail hour. She brought out
I've never had a sardine, and so we're gonna do this.
crackers.
Are you gonna sardine it up? No?
Oh, come on. No!
She won't be able to say no once she sees it.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure.
I'll double down on my
A
nose.
lot of people tell me they can't.
It smells like
Fish?
tuna.
Okay. I can just think of it as like a lump of tuna.
With slimy skin and an eyeball.
But you eat it all, right?
Do you use pop and locate in your mouth? Is that what you do? We put it on a cracker.
I remember him eating sardines with Xavier, and Xavier was like, yeah, and then he ate it, and he's like, no.
Do they have heads and eyes?
No.
Oh, good.
They're just fillets.
Yeah, I don't see any heads.
I know what else Paul likes is pickled herring. And you can have that.
Oh, I don't know, man. Is he like Norwegian or a Viking or something?
I don't know. I don't know why he eats it.
All right, so how do I do this? Do I need to drink like 2 of these drinks before I do it? No? Okay.
Cracker.
At that, and then a cracker. Okay, cool. Do I put the cheddar on it?
I don't know how many people he thinks is eating this. But
Yeah.
I thought it was just me and Franz, so I don't know.
They'll want to join in.
Oh, okay. So then I just like,
Yeah, just get you a piece.
okay. This? Oh, you just like put it straight to the mouth, huh? Okay. Here we go. All right.
Oh, look at this little beauty here.
did you get a crunchy thing?
Beauty. Fishy in the sea. Please come and take a look at me.
I thought it'd be more dramatic. I thought it would be kind of gross. It's not gross. It's just like a tuna. Yeah. Yeah, that's what you said. Yeah, she said, oh, it's just kind of like tuna. I was like, oh yeah. You can think of it that way. It's just like tuna. There's not any bones or anything in it. I thought it would have like
Crunchy.
eyeballs or something. I don't know.
Oh, I see.
Oh, Mom's. He's right. He's right. Everybody's joining in. It is true. Fridays were sardine night, or else or oyster stew night, because Catholic.
Oh, yeah. I'd eat fish.
Mom's joining in.
Oh no, that's like the ones I had. Like
But you had some with ketchup and.
we had the ketchup sauce or the mustard sauce. Dad would never get the plain ones. Toast with me.
It's just like tuna on a cracker.
Longer than it is.
It's fine. It's fine.
I think she likes it.
I mean, I don't think I'll ever buy it, but I'm not nervous about it anymore. It's fine.
It's like tuna.
Yeah. Cool. Thanks, Francis.
You're welcome, dear. I wish I had pickle herring. God, it's so good.
Pickle herring. Thanks.
Have you
I don't-
If you like pickle, you'll love pickle herring.
Really?
Oh, man.
It's like,
a family of pickle lovers.
oh, my picky, my pickle.
She wants a sardine.
I bet she does. Today is my favorite day of the year. I am going to get all my hair cut off. I hope he makes it so short. It's gonna be wonderful. I'm not though. That's the thing. I got my hair cut. Can't take Mom anywhere.
Nice. Good. Now do it to your sister. Good. Now. Yes! Nice job. Grab high and then try to make her eat the mat. Good. Get on top. 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 Good. Oh.
Try to pinch my chin.
Okay, pull. Yeah. Now really pull me down. You talk about how strong you are. Show me. There you go. Come on. Go. Good. Oh. Good. All right, let's go again. There you go. Do it. Now run.
Take him down.
Okay.
Look, Dad, I'm eating a taco.
Look, Dad, I'm playing on the iPhone because I don't want to talk to my sister.
Separate lives.
Totally. Look, Dad, watch me do a TikTok dance and be like I should.
I will probably not. I don't know anything about TikTok. This will not be on TikTok.
Yeah, let's try.
There you go. Oh, good girl. Good girl. She stays dead for like something else. All right. Sit.
Yeah, that's. Bleh. Joe is ripping out the RV booth and table. Exciting changes. Oh, look, he put in a light too. I like the old chandelier, but this is cooler.
Wow, one hand. Whoa. Doing it. What the flying swan she's doing.
Look, Dad, today's our last day here at Camp Schulte. Today is our last day at Camp Legendary, and we're headed to your house.